A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for eastern and central Arkansas. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Prairie County and central Arkansas, northwestern Lone Oak County and central Arkansas, northeastern Pulaski County and central Arkansas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Parnell, or near Jacksonville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Cabot, Little Rock Air Force Base, Ward, Austin in Lone Oak County, Thurman, Old Austin, Parnell, Sylvania, South Bend, Furlow, Butlerville, Woodlawn, Fairview in Lone Oak County.
About freaking time.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Conway County and central Arkansas, southeastern Pope, P.O.P.E. County in central Arkansas until 6:30 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hattieville, or near Morrilton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morrilton, Apello, Bethlehem, Sequoia Park, Lanty, Hill Creek, Solbaheckia, St. Vincent, Hattieville, Springfield, Middleton, Plumeville, Birdtown, Blackwell, Overcup, Wonderview, Kenwood. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Prairie County and central Arkansas.